scream.
That shadow that was up there was way louder than mine. It's gonna be. Mine's not gonna be that.
Do you think?
I was standing right next to it.
I remember how fucking loud this thing used to be. It was dumb how loud it used to be.
Yeah, but that shadow, when he was on it, it was fucking loud, and they were a lot shorter. I don't know. Her number's gonna be so shit though. I have like 0 performance upgrades.
I'm saying 110.
I'm gonna guess.
It's a Daytona engine, so it should produce.
Yeah, but I've got straight pipe and decat without a reverb.
Oh my god, this is gonna be dumb as fuck. This is gonna be fucking dumb.
That was like maybe 4 RPM. Like that's. Yeah. Doing a dyno. That's my baby right there. Squeak, squeak, squeak. Yeah, mobile. I wear earplugs.
No shit.
Speaking of which.
A little bit of oil on top of it. They're so fucking good.
What's up, buddy?
More oil in recently. She's good.
That solves the problem.
Also, the oil burning smell you smell is on the casing on the outside.
Dude, those coming out your exhaust.
Oh yeah. She runs a little rich.
Sounds like about 20 horsepower, give or take.
Yeah, she might be like 20.
That was stupid loud. That screams so good though.
Sometimes I forget
you have
because.
to look up your ECU to find torque. Because torque.
Did I lose my
measure off,
headphones?
RPM.
What did I do with my headphones? Oh, they're probably in my helmet.
Not yet.
Where's Alice?
I don't know.
It doesn't.
Yeah. The what?
The oil light is on.
Okay.
While it's running.
It hasn't been till now. Not bueno.
You don't want to see that light when it's running.
No, it hasn't been on, so we might have just burned through a little bit. Might have been, is it the oil temp light or?
There's usually a temperature gauge, which would be the engine temperature, and then you have an oil light that's always on when you key it on.
Yeah.
Shuts off as soon as you start it. That's your pressure light.
Well, we might have just gone through some oil then. I know I have a light weep,
You have a leak, so you're probably low.
but I checked my oil and I topped her off
Today?
yesterday. Just recently. And it was I measured it was well within the lines and I hadn't
Let
written
it cool off
so.
for a second, and then we're going to want to check your oil level before you leave. If you need oil, we should put it in because you can't ride away with the light on.
Oh, I agree.
Right?
Yeah, I live like
Okay,
2 miles from here, so.
just make sure before you leave, if the light's still on, let me know, and I'll grab some oil for you.
Cool.
I might have some 5-weight. It's not what it takes.
I 5W40 is what I put in
Oh,
it.
do you?
Yeah, I used the Rotella T6.
Sweet.
Runs nice.
Oh, yeah. Well, come here now. Let's check your run.
Yeah, let's check the run. But yeah, it wasn't on when I got here, so if it's just coming on, it's just on.
Okay, so the first run I did was in 4th gear, started around 20-ish, and just held it wide open.
Okay.
So that's the blue run here, max power, 90 horsepower basically right here.
Yep, and that's at the wheel.
That's at the wheel. This is the all gear run. 2nd gear, I go 2nd gear, boom, 3rd gear, boom, 4th gear, boom, 5th gear, 6th. See how it's dropping off?
Yep.
way rich on the top end.
Yep.
Which means that might be having a little bit of more back pressure, or you can lean it out at the top end. But ideally, you want to see your power should be going. Whoop. See how much you're losing.
It drops a lot. Well, she's decat and straight
over
pipe,
20
so
horsepower in your last 2 gears.
Yep.
It should stay here all the way across. So when I see it reach peak horsepower and drop, I know it's rich. If it climbs to peak, I know it's lean. You want to see it
Just nice rounds.
maintain straight across.
Okay.
And you can't go by 96 because that's the clutch spike.
Yeah,
Once
yeah.
the clutch engages, now we're reading.
So it's probably
rear
about
wheel
90
horsepower.
like the other one is.
Yes.
Okay, cool. That's super helpful because I always, like, based off of my spark plugs, I was like, well, maybe it's running a little lean. I don't know, but
What color were
they were like whitish.
Yeah.
So
well, maybe at the low end, it might be a little.
When I do
this
commute
little
on
dip
her,
right
so
here, you
she's-
might be a little lean right there. That's your mid range. I don't have the RPMs set up, so
Right.
if I did, we could
Cool.
tell exactly where.
All right.
But you are rich at the top end.
yeah, I am not surprised on that at all because she's not. I haven't set up anything for power specifically. I've got like a Daytona engine in there, but I will be. I have velocity stacks to do, and I have probably a valve adjustment
it all
soon.
yourself?
Yeah.
For you.
It's fun.
Take my card. I don't do
Where's your
this
card?
every day. I've had this since '95. I'm a mobile motorcycle.
You have a
That's
card?
what I do on the table. So there's
There it
nothing
is.
I can't
Okay.
do out of my truck. So
Sweet, yeah, because
anything.
well, and it's since it's 2012, unlocked ECU helps a lot. You just drop maps right onto it.
Right.
Beep.
That's neat. You don't need a.
Yep, you just need the attachment. Yeah. Yes. Yay!
What'd you get?
90. I told you it was gonna be low. It's at the wheel. It's a street triple, mostly ish. Mostly ish. Just don't drop it. Don't drop it.
That's probably better than what mine was.
What's the torque on it?
That is torque, right? No.
So,
he wasn't doing torque. Was
My
he?
bike from Wikipedia says like 110.
No, it should have a horsepower.
My bike's
and
old as
torque
fuck.
rating.
It's got a loose
I think
chain.
they were
I'll
both
probably
90,
run
90.
like 70 horsepower right
No,
now.
they'll be offset. They'll be different.
I don't want my
Well,
chain
my
to fucking snap on the
horsepower's a
back
lot
end
lower
when I
than it
can't
should
get home.
be.
Although,
So
I do live like 10 feet up the road, so I mean,
Like
Your
one,
lowest
110.
exposure is
No.
right around 125.
Yeah, I was at 90. She's low. Well, I've done. She's straight pipe
You got
decat.
it.
She
Is
has
it
no
low?
backflow.
Yeah, no, we heard
yeah.
that.
Yeah.
looks nice though.
Yeah, she looks nice. Sounds nice. She needs a lot of performance help though.
What is she?
Yeah. Oh, she's a little bit more drippy now too. Burp, burp, burp.
Yeah, she
Yeah.
was dripping.
Yeah, she did. Hitting the rag.
Why'd you go getting a tampon for her?
Hitting the rag. It could be from
She's on a period.
the casing cover seal though. That casing cover seal's been a little weepy, so the extra pressure is probably like, yeah, nope. That's cool. I live like 2 miles from here though.
See you there.
It's just, I think it's the, it's been a little weepy along this casing cover seal here, which is why there's splatter. And so it probably just all the extra pressure from running at the high RPMs. She no happy.
Oh, that could do it.
She's no happy. But it's not that drippy. See, like, it's not dripping anymore.
It's also
Adrian,
Yeah.
do you know who that girl is on the CBR 600? The pink, got the. I literally see her like almost like 2-3 times a week running up and down Mason
definitely got
Drive.
stuff coming out of there, but you.
Oh yeah, well this up here is just from this right here, and then there's a weep along this crack on the lower side, so it.
Oh, is the case itself cracked over there?
No, the case isn't cracked. I think that the seal didn't seat when we last did the stator change, so
Still snapping.
it's fine. It's not dripping more, so
Snap it, bro.
it'll be fine. Yeah, we'll check the oil.
Hey, what's your guess? I'm saying 96.
Anybody who has any kind of record.
What year is it?
Oh, so
96. But he's got it geared up 3.
Is that yours, Colin? That's not yours.
It is.
Okay, it's yours. You've got it geared
Up 3 in the rear, or 2 in the rear, 1 in the front.
No, it's up 3.
up 3 in the rear and the front.
No, there's up 3 in the rear. Don't fuck
Jesus
up.
Christ.
Come out to me.
So I
was
just
90.
barely started.
90, 90.
Which means her bike might be faster than yours if you get low enough.
I don't know.
Torque maybe.
You got to at least beat
The
90.
only person I remember about was
Maybe.
they say 130
Maybe.
back drops, so
Because those numbers are all accurate.
Yeah, I was gonna say I think
They
they
also said that R34s only had like 110 horsepower. Skylines. Because of that gentleman's agreement.
Well, that's the 636.
No, I'm saying in Japan, they said like on Wikipedia, the Skyline R34
Oh, yeah.
only had 125 horsepower,
For the
twin
gentleman's
turbo, because they had a gentleman's agreement that nobody would make a car better than that. So like, yeah, it's only 125.
Sure.
Yeah, in one turbo.
In one turbo.
One
Bike
turbo
night.
knocking.
Do a flip.
It's like 300 horsepower at least. So yeah, so Wikipedia
I'm gonna
said
guess-
130. I'm
Are
saying
you
96.
saying at the crank or are you saying at the wheel?
I'm saying-
Because they're only measuring at the wheel.
I'm saying
I'd
at
say
the wheel,
100.
96.
I'd be happy with 100.
I'm saying 96 at the wheel. Which is you're probably pushing
96
one.
sounds about right, but that'll still be fat more than mine. So, huh? Lots. Well, I went to Motodemic and it was 300 for the light and about 200 for the bracket kit, and then I've since powder coated it too, which is another bit.
What number for that horsepower?
They went to Bosa Donuts.
Donuts? I was just making fun of him about donuts because he brought us donuts there one time. Remember, in his backpack?
Well, no, Teddy's right there.
Oh no,
This
Teddy's
is Danny and Kevin that left.
Oh.
Yeah, she's like, oh, Teddy,
Teddy's
you must work at a donut shop.
He said he always got donuts and shit. He did. What's up, guys? Dynos.
So he used to deliver donuts to like all the gas stations.
Oh, he should have typed that information
Yes.
at least.
All right, guys, I'm gonna end the live because I want to go talk to people. So we're gonna. Where is this? We're gonna do a flip. We're gonna flip.
Oh, the CBR was 7.